Hi yo, thank you once again for coming on my channel. Uh, in this tutorial, we are going to do something similar to what you've done in my other videos, which is to create some small Python project for beginners. In my previous videos, it was related to Python dictionary, which is one of the data structures used in Python. In this video, we are going to use Python lists, which is again one of the um, data structures used in Python. And Python list, I would say, is like very useful due to some of the features it has. Due to the fact that it is mutable, which means that once it's created, you are able to change the contents of the list. And it's really it can be used in so many ways, and it's compatible with so many things that you could do using the Python programming language. So in this video, what we're going to do is to write a small application for Python, but Python for those who are quite new to the programming language. We're going to write a small application that could be used by in a shop, whereby they could use this application to record the goods that they have, the supplies they've got in the shop. They will be able to, like I said, record the items. They will be able to search for a particular item or to list the items they've got in stock, or to delete items and so many others, or so many other things that they could use it to do. So again, just like my other videos, this is going to be quite straight to the point, very short. And once you're able to grasp what the concept of what we are going to do here, it's you'll be able to apply it in so many things that you'll be able to do or that you want to do using Python. So please, in case I haven't asked before, may I ask you to please subscribe, to like, and to comment on my video, and I would really appreciate that. So what we are going to do here, first of all, let us start by the basics. So what I want to do now in this video, there are two functions that I want to create. One is the banner. You are going to see what it's going to be. The other one is the options, which the users from which the users can choose what action they want to take in the using the application. So let's just go straight to the point. Like I said, the first Python I want to write is the banner. So this banner, what it's going to do, just to display the name of our shop. Let's just have something the something like this. Oh no, I got it right wrong now. So what we are going to do is because at first obviously we are creating our function. So at first we create our function, and then we have the print here, and we could have two of those. And I need just one moment. Oh. So what we intend to do is something like this, and something like that. Like I said, this is just uh, the banner, and it won't contain something like it will be quite simple. So let's have something like super electronics shop, because what we want to do is to use this let's assume this is a shop where they sell electronics, for example, things like television, maybe they also sell mobile phones, for instance, radios, refrigerators and stuff like that. Let's assume that they are going to use this application. So this will be their banner. So let's write the second function. So the second function is one, like I said, let's call it options. So this one will be quite something again that would be, this is just to make it a bit our application a bit beautiful, nothing more. um okay, let's just have something like that. And let's say choose, I wanted to say choose an option, but we can just have just something like choose option. And there we have to add this. I just want only one of these, and then the other end we also add something similar. Okay, so now we have these two functions, although this one is not complete yet. So here we are going to have different options, which, like I said, users are going to use to choose what action they want to choose. So let's say like the first option, the number first option, when the user chooses first option, it asks them, or this is to add item or add an item. And then let's have a second option. This one will be option number 2. No. Option number 2. This one is to display. So when they want to display the items they've got in their shop, they use this one. Then let's have the next one. What could this one be? This one, let's say, is to search when they want to search for a specific item, because the second one they could use it to display the entire items, but here they want to search for a specific item. So they could use number 3 to search. And also there will be this one. This is number 4. So what could this one be used for? This one maybe to delete an item. To delete item, let's have also number 5. This one is let's say quit. If they don't want to proceed with whatever they're trying to do, then they quit, right? So we have these two options. So let's write in this video, let's also write the main function, from which we can call the rest of the functions. So in this main function, oh, wait a moment. In this main function, let's say main. So let's call these two functions. Let's call banner, no. We call the banner function. Oh, okay. I see why I'm having this error here. I know that someone might have caught this already. So here we need to have our def because we are writing a function. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So at first we have we have the banner. Then the second one is option. We call our options function options. So we've got our two of our functions. So the last thing we need to do now is to call our main function. We call our main function from in there, and that's it for now. So we have our banner, we have options, and we have our main function. So let's go on and call this function, try to use our application. Obviously, as you can imagine, it's not going to do much at the moment, but at least we are going to see the interface, or should I say the interface of our application, and see how beautiful it looks. So the name of the file is list.py. So I call list.py. I don't even remember if, okay, I did save it. Okay, so that's what I expected to see. So as you can see how beautiful our supermarket application is. So we have our super electronics, which is the banner electronics shop. And then we have the options, which could be used to perform, obviously, some actions like we said. So I'm going to end this video here, and in the second part of the video, we are going to start to write our applications. And thank you once again. Please subscribe, please like, please comment on my video. I'll be glad. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.